I told you those bulls was coming. Now we on Ghost of City haunted. Meet me at the XRP fountain. High up like we shooting up the mountains. I've been waiting patiently, they tryna drown me. I know about XRP, nothing to tell me. I ain't touching those coins, you can't sell me. I know where we going, I got the bounty. Represent the whole gang and all the family. This the city, this the town, this the county. When we rock it to the moon, we going rowdy. And there's nothing you could say or you could tell me. I told you those bulls was coming. Now we all Ghost of City haunted. Meet me at the XRP fountain. High up like we shooting up the mountain. I found the key, the door was open. Found the pot of the golden. They be talking like they smoking. They don't see what's
How's it going? BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, Blue Crew community, Solana community, Algo community, Polkadot community, Cardano community, Ethereum community, RSR community, Phantom community, Nuls community, Nerve Token community, NETBOX community, Gala community, Flare community, all the communities out there. Guys, welcome to another DLT late night live stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in. What's up, Blue Crew? How you guys doing? Let me know if the levels are good with the sound and the music. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We got Frogadelic. If we move tonight, then it might be too late. At least we'll be here together, my man. Guys, Sheffelbean, what's up? How you doing? John Doe, Legendary in the house. Always appreciate your support, my man. Thanks for tuning in, Legendary. Told you that those bulls were coming. Yeah, John Doe, what's up, dude? XRP OG. J-Roy Bulldogging, Texas Crypto, work until I die. Guys, appreciate you guys tuning in. Texas Crypto, once again, thanks for that feedback right there on the sound. Yep, Vet community for sure. V-Chain community without a doubt. Hey, Holochain community, dude. I'm biting my words big time with Holochain. What a missed opportunity right there with Holochain. No doubt. But hey, man, look at that with Solana. What perfect timing for that video to be dropped that we were talking about Solana. Obviously, we were even talking about it before then, even around the, times it was like, even around what, $8, $9, going along with the journey for Solana. Unbelievable to see this now at 2031. AVAX doing its thing. GRT creeping up to $2. Here we go. XTZ. Okay, I'll get excited about XTZ once it can start crossing that $5 range. But it looks like perhaps maybe XTC is waking up. We'll look at the charts for sure. I think tonight's going to probably be very heavily chart-wise because we're finally, hopefully, some of these cryptos are getting some breakouts towards the upside, and we can see which ones will continue to ride the bullish momentum. It looks like Solana definitely, we've already noticed its breakout, and it's just been carrying that bullish momentum. It took a breather for a bit once it hit $19 and around that range, but dang, now it's just impulsed up to 2031. Interested to see where this is going to be carrying it. We finally got Atom above $20 again as well. Not the lowest of the low caps. I understand that, but damn, these are projects that are powerhouses, and I don't care if they're low cap, mid cap, big cap. I just care about the awesome fundamentals those two projects and ecosystems those two projects are definitely forming. What other good stuff we got going on here? Looks like Luna might be waking up. See a coin doing its thing, but damn, Holochain kicking some butt for sure. In the past 24 hours, ICX was making a nice run. It was around like 280 with ICX. Love seeing that waking up as well. Definitely bullish on ICX. Good times ahead, man. Good times for Blue Crew, without doubt. John Doe saying I need to get a few soul. I mean, do your due diligence, though. But once again, I'm not a pro trader, not a financial advisor, and I'll never tell you guys what to do. Just sharing the knowledge. Who knows where Solana goes from here? We'll definitely check out the charts, though, guys, without a doubt. Some interesting stuff to look into as well. We got Brad Garlinghouse just releasing in the past hour. Thrilled to finally announce this one, combining Tranglow's APAC footprint with RippleNet will create an even better experience for customers who can take advantage of both ODL and line of credit. Looks like Ripple is still continuing to just grow despite the SEC news. And if you guys check out Darren Moore's posts on Twitter here, this guy definitely knows what's up. Let me just dang it. Hopefully, yeah, XRP Darren, there we go. So he makes a connection for Tranglo as well. Wait a second. Okay, so here we go. So Alipay and Finabler, a partner of the blockchain-based payments platform Ripple, will also work on digital gifting and driving efficiencies together through the Alipay blockchain information system. China's central bank, PBOC, needs to sign off on this stuff. Right? There's a recent tie. Remember Wang Lian. I don't know about the Blue Crew members who were in this community, you know, around the time, you know, bear market days when we were talking about Wang Lian, but you guys are seeing how all that's coming together now. Pretty interesting, right? Tranglo eyes rising global payments with Alipay and WeChat Pay. And remember, Alipay and WeChat Pay are part of that Wang Lian system with the People's Bank of China. Very interested to see how this is all going to be playing together, guys. Could be a perfect storm that we're seeing forming in front of our eyes right here. Check out Tranglo's partners, Alipay, TransferWise, WeChat Pay, right? Just to name a few, AIS as well. So really damn good news right there for XRP. Let's see if that can carry some momentum for its price. Let's check out where Solana is on the charts here. What's up, Blue Crew? How you guys doing? Thea D in the house. Holly Molly, good to see you. DC Precise, Fab. You guys are amazing, man. I keep seeing ICX too. Hey, man, we've been yeah, ICX is awesome. ICX is a real boat. Definitely has got the Blue Crew stamp of approval for sure. Good times to just be in this space. I just hope you guys are making gains with whatever crypto, whatever strategy you're doing. I just hope you guys are doing well. We're here to hang out, talk about cryptos, hang out with each other. And it looks like XRP breaking through some long-term resistances. If it can bounce here and start going towards the upside, we're talking about a really nice gain coming in the short term for XRP. We're talking about maybe an impulse up to around 150, 160 range. If it decides to break to the upside, man, that's always been the blue balls of XRP, right? Just when you think it's getting going and it's getting even close to $1, some global catalyst or some stupid thing ends up happening that drives the price down, right? So let's see if dreams can come true finally, and it can start to break through that dollar range, start joining this bull run, this alt season, and we'll see what speculation starts driving forward for it then, right? Because I think once people start seeing it break past $1 and maybe holding its own around that range, I think some people will start to get really bullish and some FOMO might start to come in on XRP. Especially people knowing they could have been accumulating around these ranges at 13 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents, 19 cents, right? Remember, it was just at 19, 20 cents forever for a really long time. Then it took that next leg up. And if it wasn't for this SEC news, you probably would have been seeing XRP really, like without this little dip here, it just was nice natural consolidation from its impulse up in November, right? You got that impulse, that awesome impulse that drove you up to around the, what's it called, 80 cent range. And then it started consolidating very nicely. And then next thing you know, you had the SEC news that dragged it down. Looks like it bounced back up. Now we're back at these levels again. Now, what's going to be the next catalyst? What's going to be the next thing that makes it a blue balls moment for XRP to not burst to the upside and freaking break past $1, right? Because everything right now is in favor of XRP bursting to the upside, you guys. You have technical analysts from all angles calling for an XRP breakout sometime soon. I mean, I'm seeing similar things to what they're seeing as well. We were talking about this. RSI and MACD look amazing for XRP. So what's going to be, is it going to blue balls us again, or is it going to finally start to break through that dollar range, right? XRP on PayPal catalyst, that will push it past $1. I mean, just natural chart momentum will push it past $1. It's just, that's all we really need. It's just the technicals to actually play out without any global catalyst being involved. And guys, I'm not joking. Like, right here around February 14th, 15th of 2020, before we got, you know, the stock market crashed and we were officially announced to be in a national state of emergency, it looked like XRP was going to burst then. There was a nice run up from 12th of December at 18 cents all the way up to like 34 cents. Then you had the global catalyst that was 2020 and the whole situation we're in drag that price down and the whole market with it. You had nice steady growth, right? Hell, you even have a very nice long-term trend that XRP is still supporting despite the SEC, you know, suing, right? You had this awesome impulse up in September going into October, into winter, and then you had a really nice impulse to start the month of December, and then on the 12th or on the 21st of December, you have freaking SEC deciding to just crash the market with it. Now we're back at those levels again. Like, there's so many good things in favor right now for XRP to go past $1. It would have to be some sort of blue balls catalyst that makes it drag down again. For real. I'm not joking. Yep, exactly, man. I'm just a pissed off XRP whale, that's all. Just hodl for a few months. Yeah, I hear you. Cardoza fam, good to see you, man. Nothing much, dude. We got to check out Solana. What's going on with Solana, right? Back through $20 right there. Killing it. We got the breakout we were looking for with Solana. Big time breakout. Full retracement towards the upside. Let's clear this. Awesome breakout, man. Follow the ABCD pattern perfectly. We found our levels of accumulation, believed that that was the bottom right there at around, what was the bottom right here before the impulse? 1303. Got the impulse towards the upside in a big way for Solana. We'll see where this ends up taking the next breather, but right now it's looking pretty damn good, that's for sure. RSI looked good for it as well. Basically RSI looking very similar to what's going on with XRP, right? MACD's building up a little bit though. There's some selling pressure coming in. We'll see how big this pump is going to be first before any consolidation, but very nice to see that continuation of the upside, and Solana just continuing its massively historic run to these prices. Unbelievable. What's up, Blue Crew? What else do we got? Levin Soul, dude. Soul's been killing it, my man. Oh yeah, we got to check out Wink or Win for sure. Oh, you got Gala and Wax now. Crypto Squirrel going for that NFT gaming market. That's cool. I'm not gonna lie, it snagged me a little Wink. Okay, we'll check out some Wink, my dude. Let's see how that's looking. How's everybody doing out there? Appreciate you guys tuning in. We're hanging out with the Blue Crew. It's a heavy chart stream for sure. Appreciate the news from Brad Garlinghouse though that we just went over. And then guys, I don't know about what's been going on with Coil, but this is a little bit speculative. Is Coil starting to become Riddlers as well? You got posts like this where, you know, your content but just a big boat, and then what this tractor's trying to do to that big boat, right? And then something right here, wait a sec. Yeah, dark to light type of imagery from Coil, right? Flipping the switch. Right? Telepathy, neural links, right? Ubiquitous payments. between people without even having to think about paying, right? Removing that barrier entirely. You're just living and breathing payments, just in the same way you're living and breathing messages. Coti, yep, gotta love Coti. Garuda Malai. I hope so. Or Sidar. There we go, man. Sidar, you like Coti, man? You're definitely in the blue crew, without a doubt. I mean, you would be in the blue crew anyway because you're participating in the chat, but the fact that you love Coti, man, welcome to the blue crew. Big shout out to Coti. Much love for that project, for sure. We could definitely check that one out next. Yeah, when? Oh, give me a second, guys. Yeah, living and breathing crypto, basically. Living and breathing payments. Win looking not too bad, to tell you the truth. Definitely on its parabolic momentum, already up. Have we literally seen it, you know, straight up start to form that hockey puck straight line? Looks like you already got 2 moonshots in. Maybe you get one more little moonshot coming out for Wink or Win right here. We'll see, but you've already had 2 major legs up for Win. That's for sure. I think what's going to be left over is now just that full-on straight line up for Wink before maybe some major consolidation. But we'll see, man. We'll see. This does have the potential, you know, like short term, it kind of does look a little bit bearish, depending on how strong this breakout's going to be. If you look at it from, oh, give me a sec. I gotta flip this over. High to low right here. You're right there at that golden zone point of retracement, hence why you started getting major selling pressure from the recent selling, you know, pressure that came here. So you could be looking at this, a possible Elliott wave happening. Like that for Wink before you do get another major push towards the upside. But if it does respect this kind of parabolic trend, you'll probably see it before it even gets to 3, start to make another, you know, really start to break out. But just already seeing some selling pressure around this range and a lower high from the previous high causes me to think that it'll probably, unless it creates a newer high pretty soon, definitely, which will lead us to some more bullish momentum. But if it doesn't do that, we're coming back down here. Probably going to come back down to 0.0030, and then maybe you get bought up around there. Looks like there's also some accumulation happening at 0.0032. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad to see like a nice little inverse head and shoulders form right here, but obviously you would love it to respect that parabolic type of trend. RSI looks all right for it right now. Looks like it's definitely has like a nice little supportive trend going back to February, so that can help you out. Let's see where the MACD is looking. Yeah, you've had some buying pressure a lot. Selling pressure started coming in. If this next one is like a smaller selling, you know, phase, then it could definitely turn to start pivoting bullish. Guys, what's up to the 32 viewers? Thanks to the 25 likes. Appreciate you. Oh, who's tuning out? I gotta go. Oh, work until I die. Appreciate you, my man. Much love to you, brother. Ah, Sadar, appreciate you, man. Much love to you, my man. Thanks for the support. Guys, thanks to any new subs to the channel. Thanks to any new Blue Crew members. You guys are amazing. Yeah, Coti's on fire, dude. That hard Yaka portfolio has not done us wrong yet. Who knows him in the future if it does. But so far, it has been on fire. And if XRP starts to run, and if... what was that? What was... I was just about to talk about kava, and then I just started smelling kaka. So instead of talking about kava, we started smelling kaka. Legendary, man. What was it that you ate, dude? That's a stinky ass fart, my man. That was a Like, it's like a poop drop. Crazy, man. Thanks for that 99-cent donation. That almost just went by, though. I almost didn't notice it. You see, I have a little bit of a higher tolerance now. Let's see where Kava is at, speaking of Kaka. I don't want Kava to be known as Kaka, but... Alright, you've been building newer highs, newer lows. Like, not too bad for Kava so far either. Doing its thing. Ascending channel upwards. Long-term support. See if it can take that journey up to 724 and then just kind of impulse past this channel finally. And not get stuck in it. Just start to break towards the upside. That's definitely what we would like to see right here for some Kava. Holy snap. Alchemist, my man, dude. Jesus. Alchemist, much respect to you, bro. Whoa. Much respect to Alchemist. We're not worthy. We're not worthy. You are the man, my dude. Thank you so much for your support, man. And thanks for always tuning into these DLT late night live streams, to the DL Talks, dude. Always appreciate your perspective, man. You're the man, dude. Thank you so much for that donation. Alchemist dropping it big. Hope you're making some awesome gains out there, man, with whatever you're doing in the crypto space. Appreciate you so much, man. Thank you so much. Man, hot killing it, that's for sure. Let's see where ICX is at. Let's see where we're going with ICX. Oh yeah, and then XYO, the call for XYO ended up paying off. We're going to definitely revisit that one. Yep, right there for ICX, dude. The pop-off came. We were just circling and saying, doesn't this here look very similar to what happened in this area? Right? Look at that. Right here. Bam. Started tailing off. This is just the beginning, it looks like. You're probably going to have a selling pressure day come up soon for ICX, and then you'll probably see another next leg up. Man, are we talking about ICX being close to $5 soon, guys? That would be unbelievable. Oh, you picked up the XYO on that call? Let's see how it paid off, man. Let's see how it paid off. Just jumping around cryptos, guys. Appreciate everybody tuning in. You guys are amazing. Shout out to the Blue Crew, as always. Dude, Crypto Squirrel, nice, man. Yeah, I bet Alchemist is just killing it, making sick gains. That's for sure, dude. Without a doubt. Appreciate your support, my man. And then you know what? You know, Legendary, I can't put aside that little poop drop. You know, it's not the best thing to be seeing because, you know, it smells a little funky. But, you know, I appreciate the support as always, my dude. Shout out to Legendary as well. Alright, we're checking out XYO, seeing how I hope it saved my chart from where we had it. Nice, it did. There we go, it's following that butterfly. It's just following along the wing of that butterfly right there. I think it's because we looked at it on the 4 hour, right? That's why it looks like all wacky. Yeah. Oh, we already touched the target. We already touched the target, man. You already touched 0028. XYO killing it, dude. Supporting a long-term support trend right here from March 2021. Oh, I mean, obviously this month, of course, it's 4 hour. Dang, I always look at this and think it's the daily, and then I just embarrass myself, and I'm like, oh, of course. 4 hour chart, though, forming a very, very nice long-term support since the 15th of March. And XYO's just been going on the up and up. Who knows if we get another impulse towards the upside right here. But definitely happy to have gotten that breakout right there towards the upside, taking us to 0028. We'll see where this carries us, but definitely want to keep supporting this trend. If not, the moment you start crossing over, this could be weary times for XYO, right? So as long as it keeps supporting this trend, and the trend is your friend, we could be setting ourselves up for even more fun times right here for XYO. I mean, look at these straight line impulses that this thing does. If XYO does another major leg up, and I mean like this one was a pretty major leg up right here, right? From 000519. Man, that was so crazy, dude. We got so lucky to be able to call that at around that price. And then you got that first straight leg up. Then the next one was even taller. If it supports this trend, the next leg up for XYO could be tremendous. We're talking about going into basically the stratosphere. You're probably going to be seeing 000 or 004 for in the making 005, half a penny for XYO, which is, wow, that would be tremendous gains. Yeah, the MACD's looking pretty decent. RSI is looking all right. Not too bad for XYO network. You know, I'm not too sure of what they're doing in terms of the company and whatnot, but as a speculative asset, it's been killing it, that's for sure. Oh, RMAC. Okay, that spelled a little bit sweeter, man. I thought I spelled a unicorn, that's for sure, and that's what it was. That's what it was right there. RMAC, appreciate your support as always, man. Thanks for the 99-cent donation. Thanks for that unicorn. You rock, dude. Valid Placebo missing his rave days. Cardozo fam, I bet... I remember Cardozo fam was riding the XYO train. There we go. Cameron Clark, y'all. What's up, Cameron Clark? How you doing, man? Welcome to the Blue Crew. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely, my dude. And RMAX76, dude. Killing it, man. Thanks for the $5 donation or $4.99. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I'm enjoying these gains. I hope you all are as well, man. ICX doing its thing. Solana, unbelievable. From making that video just a few days ago or a handful of days ago up to now, Solana's just been in the green. That's the type of response you want to see after making a deep dive video on Solana. It's just straight green days after that. But we'll see when this party ends, man, because it's already been, for a whole year, Solana's just been making tremendous gains. I don't know when the party's going to stop for Solana and when you get a major retracement, but right now it's just been doing some beautiful stuff, and there's a lot of hype about its blockchain and what it's doing and the projects that are migrating over to Solana from Ethereum. And then also you know what this gets me bullish on as well, with Solana moving up to this level of prices? Everything else in the Solana ecosystem, the current prices that they're at, maybe expecting them to start seeing them lift off as well. Like the HXRO, this one's been consolidating heavily, and it's part of the Solana ecosystem here. I guess it's just because it doesn't have a lot of traction going for it right now, but you never know. Especially if it's part of a powerful blockchain like this. Oh, it started to wake up just as I talked about it, right? Of course. Oh man, it had a recent impulse. Just dang it, dude. When I was seeing this, it was already in like that 29-cent range, in between 30 to 29 cents. You're at 32 cents now for HXRO. But this could start to pop off sometime soon. It is part of that Solana ecosystem, taking advantage of Solana's high transaction throughput. We'll see what ends up happening with this one. Aleph has been doing some things as well, and is apparently going to be backing up OpenSea, Rarible, in terms of their NFTs, and you're already seeing it pop off right here. Heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah, Aleph. Dude, yes. Didn't even get to see this price, man. We were shouting out Aleph around that, I mean, before it popped off, obviously, around, what was it, like 7 days ago or 14 days ago? That Solana ecosystem, man, I'm excited for that ecosystem because what it's doing with its blockchain, and then you're seeing the benefits from all these projects that are listed on it. Yeah, dude, we were just talking, like we got lucky to find this bottom right here for Aleph as well. It's just good timing, dude, and especially when you recognize a good project like Solana, and then you're seeing all these platforms that are on it just, you know, building use cases, more use cases for Solana. Really awesome, man. Texas Crypto's enjoying his gains. What's up, dude? Crypto Squirrel, you got to check out Atomic Assets if you have it. Atomic Assets. Interesting, man. I got to talk to you that more about that. I'm not too privy to it. Exactly. XYO was exactly that, Cardoza fam. It was just a let's see what happens. You know, it's at that 0004 range. Why not speculate on it and see where it carries you? Same thing with multi-back, right? MTV and XYO were very much like that. Hydro, I still have faith for more. And the great thing too is XYO is partnered up with Hydro or Project Hydro at least. So I'm interested to see how that can benefit both projects in the future. Speaking of Hydro, let's check out what Hydro's at. Hydro's got a tough chart to check out though. I gotta go to CoinTrader Pro to look at Hydro. Anybody remember Hydro? Partnered with Currency Cloud and Google Cloud, you know, no big deal. Oh, I love Serum. I do like Serum. Serum's definitely one we got to talk about more. Hydro, not looking too bad. You might actually be starting to get the curve up. It's just been in consolidation because, you know, the whole redeployment and everything that was going down with it, right? You might have actually gotten a little bit of a weak breakout right here for Hydro. But we'll see what the future brings for this one because I'm still holding on to Hydro because there's still more integrations to come. They got integrations coming with Cardano, Algorand, Polkadot. So I'm excited to see how this cross-chain applicability can happen for Hydro, and just to see them actually, you know, it's a speculative play to a certain extent. Like I've said before, high risk, possible high reward, but also possible, you know, high crash, right? That's why I'll never tell you guys what to do, and I was just sharing my journey with Hydro. But I'm definitely going to continue riding this journey with Hydro and see through for those integrations with Algorand, with the integrations with Cardano, right? It's great to be like a common theme. The thing that I like to find is the cryptos no one talks about yet, right? The ones that seem boring, and then they don't seem boring anymore once their prices start to move, right? So, not saying that I make a good call on those every time, but I definitely try to, you know, just stick to like kind of my little preferences, right? Everybody's got their preferences of the type of cryptos they're into. Okay, MPXS doing its thing. Solana, dude. Solana at 2044. Holy cow. Let's go, man. And we got IOTA, another boring one, going from what was it at? 115? And once it got past $1, nobody talked about it anymore. They just enjoyed the gains that they got. But now it's at 151. Let's see where this one ends up going. Does it follow ICX? Now that ICX is getting closer to $3, it makes sense that IOTA is following suit, because that's kind of how it happened last time with ICX and IOTA when they were around that 20-cent range, right? They just started following each other past $1. So let's see if IOTA starts to go past $1 to $2. That would be amazing to see. And I really hope XTC is waking up. Let's get an update here on XTZ. Tezos is so underrated, so boring of a project. Nobody really talks about it, but they just keep building. They just keep doing their thing. RSI is looking good. MACD is looking good. Like, yeah, we need a breakout here for XTZ on the big time. So yeah, you had a weak breakout. You tested the former area of what was previously resistance, created a new low. Now you're making new highs for Tezos. Looks like a breakout right there for Tezos. Let's see if it carries on through. Let's see what some targets could be right here for Tezos. Certainly hope it can get past $5 sometime soon in the future. Okay, your A, your B, your C. Probably get your D around. Yeah, it looks like it could take you close to okay, let me move this. Yeah, 575 right there. Maybe close to $6. Oh yeah, Network. Exactly, yeah. XRP Bags doing that interview with Network as well. Speaking of for a second I thought you were talking about Nerve Network, but this one I definitely want to highlight big time because I really think that this one's just at its low that it's going to be going at. Like, this one seems like pretty low risk to me with a Nerve Network, and it's a project that just came out on Nuls, and I think it is going to like start generating some more volume somewhere down the line. I like the way the MACD is looking. I like the way the RSI is looking, and I really think, yeah, 4 cents. We got lucky to get in around this time for Nerve. I would love to still have more time to accumulate more Nerve and possibly become a virtual bank for Nerve. Like, that's actually one of my goals if it stays consolidating around this range, but I doubt it. But to become a virtual bank for Nerve token, you need about 200,000 Nerve token, which is like, I think like now like about 18 grand, which is a ton. That's just like absurd, right? That's just kind of out of my willingness to pay at the moment. Unless I get absurd gains in some other cryptos, then maybe it becomes a more appealing option. And if Nerve token hasn't popped off then hell yeah, that would be awesome to be a virtual bank for Nerve token, right? Nuls has been already going past $1. We were happy to find Nuls around 50 cents. Now it's past $1. Let's see where Nerve token could take us. I do like the volume that's been picking up, you know, recently, and I certainly hope maybe your next target is taking you close to 20 cents, maybe on the verge of 19 cents, whenever this next impulse wants to come up for Nerve, right? It does start like it's beginning a journey sometime soon, so we'll see where this can start carrying it for Nerve. That would be sweet if it started respecting this kind of parabolic curve that could possibly be forming for it. Then you're definitely talking about maybe around the 17-cent range right here. If it pops off towards the upside right here, a 17-cent target right there for Nerve would be unbelievable. Then you probably get your consolidation down to the previous area of support and treat it, or previous area of resistance, and then treat it as support, and then maybe even see Nerve token start to go even more parabolic into the 25-cent range. I mean, dude, this would be amazing if it actually did play out this way. But this is just speculation. Obviously, it can come down to this end and just continue going sideways for a good long time, and who knows when it really pops off. But this is a new project that I don't think a lot of people know about, and I think at this point it seems like kind of a low risk, possible good reward if it can, you know, I have, like, I personally like Nuls and what they're doing. So with this creation of Nerve Network and what they're going to be doing with Nerve Network, I'm excited to see what the prospects of this could be down the line. So yeah, just wanted to share that with the Blue Crew because I'm not sure how long, like, I'm not trying to get people to FOMO, and I'll never tell you guys what to do. I'm just like being honest with it because I've been looking at this recently and I'm like, damn, I'm not sure how long it's just going to be trending sideways like this at 5-6 cents. Now picking up towards like making a floor at around 7-8 cents. It's even already broken through to 14 cents at one point and then started consolidating back down. So we'll see when that next breather comes for Nerve, right? And I don't think many people are in on this one anyway, right? So if it goes up to 17, people are going to already miss the boat. And then next thing you know, you just see a level accumulation and then maybe more people start joining the boat, hearing about Nerve Network, and then we're talking about being at a quarter. We'll see if it plays out that way, though. It's no guarantee. I mean, this is obviously me being just a hopeful kind of moon boy looking at this chart, right? So I'm not trying to... Once again, I'll never tell you guys what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing in the journey I'm going on. And I like the Nuls network and what they're doing, and the blockchain that they're building, and the team that they have, the connections they have as well. I like that they've, you know, started implementing and are really excited about Nerve Network. So we'll see what ends up, you know, paying off for this one. And it's a new project. It came out in January 2021 and it came out this year from Nuls. So this one, I think, is just, obviously you're catching it early days before everybody else knows about it, right? And it looks like now you're starting to get some volume and attention being picked up to it. So who knows what ends up happening for this one. I'm not trying to get... I know it sounds like FOMO, guys. Like, I just like talking about the cryptos I like talking about, and I know it sounds like shilling and stuff like that. I'm really trying not to do that. I genuinely do like this project. Any project that, like even the projects in my referrals or anything like that, I genuinely like those projects, you know. I guess B.com is probably, I like it, but it's also a speculative play. But NETBOX, I've been definitely enjoying NETBOX and using their browser, staking with NETBOX, getting passive income with their masternode for NETBOX. Definitely been enjoying using their platform. It's been awesome. A truly ad-free experience while surfing the web, and then also getting paid daily for surfing the web. It's pretty awesome. And then Gala Games, just really excited for that ecosystem and what's going to be happening with Gala for sure. Oh, DSLA? Yeah, I hear about DET a lot for sure. DET is killing it. Congratulations to the DET community out there. But we're busy out here making gains with Solana, you know, no big deal. I'm just joking. Shout out to the DET community. DSLA, definitely need to accumulate more DSLA. I do like DSLA and the connections they have for sure. Let's see VeChain start going past 10 cents and maybe even take us to 15. That would be absurd, though. That would just be tremendously great gains coming out of VeChain's camp, right? It's already done so much from where it was before, which was like, what, 002 territory, to now being at 9 cents. That's some really awesome gains going for VeChain. Let's check out VeChain. Let's see what they're doing. We'll definitely keep this NVT chart this way and hope that maybe it somehow plays out that way. That would be sick. I'm holding NVT long term anyway, so if it plays out that way in a shorter span of time, then so be it. That would be amazing. Yeah, VeChain's already been, like, you got that hockey stick already being formed right here, but that's the thing. Now you're just trying to figure out when the top is going to be for VeChain, right? It does look like you've started to create you do have some bullish momentum coming for you recently. You just need to create that newer high, right? The moment you can create that newer high, and it looks like there's been just a ton of resistance right here around like 9.7 range for VeChain. Like, definitely don't want something like this to happen where it just becomes a big M pattern, right? It starts taking you down to this range at 0.006, and then next thing you know, you start seeing that consolidation towards the upside, right? And you do have long-term support for VeChain around that range, so just so happened it worked out where I circled it right there. But also when things tend to go parabolic, right, they start shifting. Like the line starts getting a little bit more straight, right? So definitely need VeChain to break out towards the upside right here and start getting past 10 cents for a nicer run towards 15 if it's going to continue its parabolic move. If not, you'll probably come back down here to around, what is it? Looking at around 7 cents, possibly. Yeah, on the verge of 7 cents. Maybe to double bottom. We'll see. We'll see. You do have the support trend line right here. As long as it can keep supporting this, then we are bound to break towards the upside for VeChain. It's been a bit. It's been a bit since, what was it? I guess it hasn't been that long since we've really seen VeChain going up. It's just been nice, steady growth on the upside for VeChain. We'll see what ends up happening. What's up, Blue Crew? Let me catch up with the chat. How's everybody doing? HNT. Don't sleep on HNT. I said that 2 months ago when it was at 160. All right, let's check out where HNT is at. Oh, 10-11. Nice, man. Yeah, man. I hope you made some awesome gains off of that with HNT from $1 to $10, dude. That's crazy. Good stuff. Yeah, you could be near a bottom right now before it starts picking up again. What was its all-time high? Here, let me check out the high right here. Yeah, you had like 1056, right? Circulating supply or max supply 223 million. Yeah, that's not bad at all, man. Definitely not bad to speculate on. At least it's on Binance US already, which is a really good thing. You might see it on Uphold and Coinbase maybe sometime soon. Then usually if it's on one of those three, the other two usually end up finally picking those up as well. But that's not too bad, man. What's your prediction for this one? Like, since you were already telling us 2 months ago to keep an eye out for HNT, where do you think the end could be, or the top could be for Helium, for HNT? Or is this one a super long-term hodl for you? Is it like one that you're hodling for like mega high prices? Like, do you see that type of potential going for it? Definitely nice that it's still under $1 billion total market cap. Doesn't look like it's gone full straight line parabolic yet, which is nice. But let me see, you've had one leg up, you've had 2, 3, 4, 5, working it's on its 5th one right now. But yeah, not a bad call right there, for sure. Shout out to Enerum. Ooh, got some pack and ICX. Okay, Ilyich. Okay, he's playing with his VeChain gangs. Abe, what's up, man? This is a super long-term hodl. Got 2 miners. Can you send me a link for the miners, Enerum? Gotta definitely do some research on that one, man. It's IoT hotspot coverage. Okay. Hell yeah, man. Appreciate you spreading the knowledge with Enerum or Helium. We definitely have it on the list, but good to see a Blue Crew members making some awesome gains off Helium. Okay, IOTA, I see you going from 151. Here we go. Let's keep moving. Holy crap, man. Solana, what's going on with, like, guys, are we getting the Coinbase news finally for Solana that we've been waiting for? Because they're already on Binance US. They're already on Uphold. They have connections to Greg Kidd, who was formerly an investor and used to work with Coinbase. He's working with Solana through Global ID. It makes sense that, you know, you'll probably see Solana sometime soon on Coinbase. Okay, for sure, man. I'll check out helium.com. Appreciate you, Enerum. Always good when the Blue Crew's sharing knowledge. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Algo's on fire. Nice, dude. Yeah, let's go. Algo's in the den. Algo's ready to go. Let's check out Algo. Appreciate any new subscribers to the channel, you guys. Any new Blue Crew members. You guys are amazing. Thanks for the support. Ooh, man. Algo. Yeah, you need a breakout here from Algo bad. You need Algo to follow along with the Solanas, basically, in terms of momentum right here. It's been consolidating for a good long time, though, with Algo. Yeah, you could be seeing a journey for $2 coming soon right here for Algo if this plays out well. Yeah, long-term support since the December of 2020 right here for Algo. You keep respecting that, you're definitely gonna be set for some. Like, I got a feeling Algo is gonna do something like this where it kind of just trends along this support line for a good bit, and then you'll see just it'll climb up slowly and slowly and slowly, and then just see a major impulse up to here, let me zoom out here for a quick second with Algo. Yeah, something where you see it go to like 232 or something like that, or 240 for Algorand. $2.40 would be tremendous, dude. It used to be, it was at 20 cents, 30 cents, 25 cents forever. That would be insane to see it go for that journey to 233, 230, 240 right there for Algorand. We might get bought out by the summer, you guys, for real. This is insane bullish momentum. Like, it's unbelievable. Great times we're in, without a doubt. Oh, miners are currently sold out. Oh, okay. HNT top 20 this year and definitely a long-term hodl. Okay. Okay. Gotta definitely check it out, y'all. Thank you guys so much for the knowledge on that. Always learning something new from the Blue Crew. Appreciate y'all. $270 for ICX. Here we go. What else do we got going on, guys? Matic, dude, unbelievable where it's at right now. 37 cents for Matic. Let's see where XTZ is at. Did it break through any crucial resistances that we needed to break through? I mean, it's following the journey that we've paved out for it now that it's broken out. That's what we're looking for Tezos, is just continue working your way up and start to get close to hitting $6 finally. That would be the ideal situation right there. Strong support since December in 2020 as well, just really sticking close to that trend line though, and very frequent, or not very frequently, rarely just going completely parabolic towards the upside. So hopefully we get that soon coming for and we might actually be getting it sometime soon. It looks very similar to what's going on with I'm trying to figure out which one we're at right now, but it looks very similar to this area before that next big impulse that ended up happening right here. Right? Could be right here. Could be at this area. Gotta see how this one plays out for XTZ. This one's underrated, man. XTZ is definitely gonna make some noise. Yeah, starting to get some buying pressure underneath the Hydro right here. We'll see if we finally get to see a new breakout right here for Hydro sometime soon. I hear Pundy X going to $8 after the token burn. No frickin' way, right? John Doe, that's insane. That would be crazy, dude. I would actually, like, if it did go to $8, I would sell right away and be very suspect of MPXS. I honestly, like, I hodl some MPXX, so I certainly hope that it goes to $8, because if it does go to $8 after that burn, I'm going to be like, wow, I was just speculating on MPXX and I just became rich. Like, that's really what would be the funniest thing and the most ironic thing from crypto, is just like, I was just even speculating on it. I didn't even trust this one like fully, and I would get rich off of that if it went to $8. For real. Oh, nice, dude. Have you guys heard of Enerum? Have you heard of Planet Watch? I think you would probably dig this type of thing, man. And Akash Super Mini. If you're into like running miners, and obviously you probably heard of masternodes.online to find masternodes if you're into masternodes type of thing. Let's visit the US store here. So this is a project, the first project that's being built on Algorand, and it's a CERN spin-off. You can see Algorand Europe Accelerator, Algorand Foundation, Algorand, right? And you would earn this token called Planet Token, or Planets, and for owning this product, you would earn about 0.02 planets per measure. And then there's also this one called the Ariana, but this one's been sold out recently. You would get 0.03 planets per measure, right? So you would be getting paid for being an eco-friendly participant in the planet, right? In their system. And, you know, built on Algorand, and I'm sure Algorand's going to want this one to succeed in a pretty good way. They got a new token model that was just released in March 11, 2021. And I am going to get one of these products. I'm thinking about getting this App Mode 2 Pro, because since it's the only product available. And why not start earning some planets already with this product. And then Akash, they got their Super Mini coming out in Q3 2021. And I'm super bullish on Akash leading up to that, because people are going to probably get excited about this the closer it gets to release. But yeah, this would be probably really awesome to get some passive income in Akash. They've already sold out their initial, they had like a earlier release and they just sold out, but the product hasn't been sent out yet, but this will be sent out in Q3 2021 to the people who have already ordered. And then there's going to be, I guess the pre-orders have already sold out, so we'll see when they're officially out, like if there's still going to be some available, without a doubt. Speaking of Akash, let's see where Akash is at. AKT. Hopefully AKT starts to follow along with what Solana's doing, that's for sure. Mr. Yan. Oh, appreciate you, man. Thanks for the $5 donation. Tips for late night discipline, live, consistent entertainment. Mr. Yan, you're the man, dude. It's really the Blue Crew that does it, dude. Enerum saying, oh, I'm getting that. Okay, awesome, dude. Awesome. I'm happy that you dug it, man. Yep, I run pack nodes as well as NETBOX. Hell yeah, dude. NETBOX is going to be awesome, man. Excited for that. No Gala node, huh? No interest in a Gala node, huh, Enerum? I mean, I understand, because now they're kind of expensive, that's for sure, but once all of them are sold, it's going to probably be a $33,000 node, and you'll be able to sell it as an NFT. G-Road, what's up, dude? How you doing? I mean, that would just be crazy if PundyX was $8, dude. Monday is my Friday. Hell yeah, dude. There you go. Hanging out with the Blue Crew then and partying, dude. Alright. Because that's really what it is, man. We're just all hanging out. We all love the crypto space, and we're just all having a good time trying to spread some knowledge, help each other out. Not telling each other what to do per se, but just sharing information, right? Grappling? Okay, I gotta check that one out. Always gotta love when the Blue Crew's like sharing new knowledge, man. Okay, Grappling. Graphlink protocol. Definitely gonna add it to the list, my dude. You guys are amazing, man. Yeah, here, I'll open up their website right now because, you know, appreciate your support, Mr. Jan, so I definitely will check this one out for you. Let's just look at it like on the surface for now, and then I'll try to have a deeper look sometime in the future. Oh my gosh, Anarim, I'm so jealous, man. I really wish I could have gotten a pack node under a cent, my dude. I'm hoping, if I hate wishing this, but I want to get a pack node so bad that I'm either hoping my other cryptos besides pack moonshot really hard and pack stays where it's at so I can then pick up a pack node, or, you know, pack just crashes and can definitely make those master nodes a little bit more available. Definitely excited for Pac-Man. Would love to be part of that wolf pack, without a doubt. Seems like that gap is closing even more and more day by day, though. Okay, so build, visualize, and automate tasks. Provides you with all the needs for handling business logic without requiring any coding skills for fraction of a penny. Cheaper than running your program on AWS. Okay. The no-code protocol for blockchain development. Interesting, man. Build GraphLink visually with nodes. Yeah, I gotta check this one out. Dude, I don't know why my internet was like a lot smoother, and now it kind of hiccups on me, which I don't dig, but it is what it is. G-Ro in the house. What's up, dude? Good to see you, man. 1111, Lady Enigma. Guys, appreciate the 35 viewers and 39 likes. You guys are amazing. It's the competitor with Graph. Okay, Mr. Jan. Awesome, dude. Awesome call. It's a short-term 5x. Okay. Damn, he already dropped a big bag in there, huh? Oh, we were just checking out Wink, Fab. I don't know too much about it, man. I've been hearing Blue Crew, like, now and again bringing it up, though, so definitely something's going on with it. One that, once again, one of my friends, Ara Black, he called this one Orion. I know some people already probably know about Orion, but apparently their platform's going to be going live sometime soon. And what they're trying to do seems pretty interesting. I'm interested to see how it works out for them. But they're trying to be like a one-stop decentralized exchange, basically, where all the exchanges are partnered up with them or integrated with them. And then you can just be using and trading across all exchanges, all of your balances, right? In one platform, one app, right? Interested to see how that plays out for Orion, but we definitely got to check out their just show you when their launch date's coming and a little bit of what they're all about. It's at 2585 with a supply of 100 million. The reason why I'm even talking about this one is I like the partnerships they have, or the integrations they have, especially, you know, with one of our gems that we like so much here, right here, Coti. Big time excited that it has a partnership there with Coti. You also have, what is it, Elrond, right? Avalanche, Holochain, Coti again for accessibility, Aleph, Certic. Like, these are pretty damn credible, like, names right here. Qcoin for the broker network, BitMax, MXC, Binance Smart Chain, right? Chainlink, Kira Network. So yeah, he gave me the call right here for Orion. So pretty interested to see where this one could go as a short speculative trade. But if this platform ends up being you know, something that's actually useful. The only trading terminal you need, endless liquidity, one platform, zero risk. Orion Terminal seamlessly aggregates bottomless liquidity for all major exchanges, centralized to decentralized, providing rich trading tools in one easy-to-use platform. Give me 1 second, guys. Alex D Vlogs in the chat. What's up, Alex D Vlogs with the Safe Moon community? What's up, man? Hopefully you're making I hope you're making some awesome gains off Safe Moon community, because it sounds like you are, man. So I really hope that you're making some tremendous gains off Safe Moon. Crypto Pimp, how much is that? For Orion, it's at around 25.85. That does seem really expensive, but you know, my friend's been making some damn good calls recently, so I'm gonna go with him on this one. For me, it's, you know, it's not like I'm breaking the bank for this or anything like that. It's a short-term trade-off in my perspective, but if the platform does end up to be successful and it ends up being, you know, this kind of one-stop shop for your trading needs, it could be nice to see what ends up happening right here. I want to see when their announcement is for their, yeah, I think mainnet right here, right? So yeah, mainnet's going to be going live. The Orion terminal will be live March 31st. So that's 1 day and 10 hours away for the Orion terminal public mainnet live. You know, we'll see if any speculation comes this way for Orion, ORN. It's currently on KuCoin. You can get it on KuCoin if you guys want to get it. I just felt like sharing this with you. My friends made some pretty good calls. Not going to say that it's going to work out with this one, because that's never a guarantee. But just kind of joining in the journey with the small bag on ORN to see how that mainnet launch is going to do for it. And who knows? We'll see. Nice supply. Definitely like the partnerships there with Coti and Elrond specifically. So we'll see what could be happening here for Orion in the future. So in time, Orion Terminal will aggregate every SEX, centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, and swap pool in market. It's chain agnostic, right? We definitely like hearing that about those type of projects. You got integrations with Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Soon to come in Q2 will be Avalanche, and then Elrond in Q2 as well. Dude, this could be a really big year for Elrond. Without a doubt. You've already got staking available now for Elrond, so people are going to be wanting to hold their Elrond even more. You're going to get future integrations coming for this platform as well. Interested to see what's going to be able to be, what's going to be coming out from this one, without a doubt. And it's been consolidating forever as well with Elrond. We have targets for like 200 or 230 coming soon for Elrond, and hopefully that pays off as well. Liking the bullish momentum right here on XTZ, man. Hopefully this one wakes up, joins the party. Is Flare contest, finance contest ready yet? Dude, I still got to catch up with it, man. It's just like, it's just kind of weird that they're not being as vocal about when the dates are for the release of the new beta. Like, they were all about like letting people know about the beta, and now it's kind of like you kind of got to really be paying attention to them to know when it's happening. So hopefully I don't miss out on it. I would love to join that Flare Finance beta contest, without a doubt. Crypto Snow, I like hearing that, man. Thanks. That would be awesome, dude. Yeah, we got to check out XRP again for sure. Alex D Blogs, you're awesome, my man. Thanks for the $5 donation. Safe Moon community here. I'm the only one. Who cares? I don't give a fuck. XRP for life. I hear you, man. Hey, J-Roy Bulldoggins, I think, there with you, or unless he probably already sold off for some gains. Who knows? But hell yeah, man. Hopefully you're riding that lightning really well. But yeah, here's Orion Protocol right there for you guys. So trend line already. Maybe you have it come down to 24 before start creating that newer low around 24.81 and then get a pop off right here for Orion. But yeah, just one day until the release of their terminal, so we'll see what ends up happening. RSI looks pretty damn good for it. MACD, not the best. Let's see what else we got going on. What the heck is this? What's going on with this triangle? This is like a whole triangle this whole time. Yeah, here we go. Let's get those visuals back up there for you guys. Alex D Vlogs is like, you're gonna be on the Safe Moon train, man. You watch. Probably will, man. And it'll be too late. That's gonna be the thing. You'll be like already a major whale, and I'll just be like, dude, I should have listened to you about Safe Moon, man. Should have listened. That's definitely gonna probably be how it works out, man. It's too many damn cryptos in this space, man. So insane. Oh, Thea D saying some ORN news. There we go. Thea D. Dropping the market calendar news. We got to use this resource way more often. Like, I don't use it enough on these live streams, but I appreciate Thea D always dropping the market calendar stuff here. So yeah, mainnet launch, Orion terminal launch, ORN staking, Oracle launch, Orion Dex kit, wallet swapped SDK launch, enterprise trade widget, all before the end of this month, they're supposing. AVAX Orion integration in June. AMA with Binance. Okay. Liquidity pool launch. Margin and lending testnet. Yeah, dude. Whoa. Orion looks like to have a pretty crazy year in terms of events that are going to be coming up. We'll see what ends up happening here for Orion. It's definitely set up with a lot of events, though, huh? Man, maybe I should go a little bit bigger with Orion. Who knows? My friends made some good calls, so it's like they're ones that really aren't with like the type of philosophy I have, but you know, sometimes you gotta, you know, like go with the changes, right? And accept the changes too. Sometimes having a specific philosophy probably isn't the best thing, right? Sometimes just going with like, yeah, you know, selling on the news, for example, or like getting these speculative trades that, you know, that looks like a good platform too, man. I think that definitely that does supply like a need. It's like people do have so many accounts now and so many platforms they use. And Orion, of course, is just going to be another one. But if it's going to be integrated with all the other platforms you're using, that sounds like a great universal trading platform to be using. So we'll see what ends up happening. B Pro, I missed the boat on B Pro, man, but definitely been hearing some awesome things about B Pro. Blue Crew been bringing it up a long time. Missed the boat on it, but I mean, I don't mind trying to throw in for a small bag of it, but I just feel like I really missed, you know, the potential that it had when it was way under a penny, right? Trying to go for the ones that nobody's talking about right now, that it's not even on people's radars really. Like XTZ was one of those. Now we're starting to get a breakout. Right, Solana, for some reason Solana just kept going underneath the surface and nobody would really talk about it, right? ICX, IOTA, Hbar, Coti. Now people are starting to talk about Coti and Hbar a lot more, but when it was around 2 cents, 3 cents, and you're the only one who's like, hey, saying, hey guys, it's just been here forever, some things gotta give, and it did. It gave in a big way, right? Took advantage of that bear market for sure. Speaking of Hbar, where's Hbar going? Is Hbar going to follow the path? It looks like it is. It looks like it is. It's following Solana. Target's going to be at around 45 cents. And then if it gets beyond that, man, you're talking about breaking through 50. And that would be tremendous for Hbar, for real. $0.50, that would be ridiculous. Yep, everyone's going fiat poor. Exactly, dude. The crazy thing is like, what if they decide to change, like, this is a question that I have about CBDCs that I think is probably interesting to entertain. I'm interested to hear what you guys think. But what if they decide to make a regulation that eventually, like through the release of these CBDCs, it makes, like these CBDCs that get released transform fiat to become finite? You know what I'm saying? Like when they release these CBDCs, what if there's a fixed amount of these CBDCs, of these central bank digital currencies? What if they decide to completely change fiat as we know it and make it become a fixed, scarce amount? And what could that do to impact the crypto space, right? And the appeal to crypto? Because a major appeal to crypto is because of its scarcity, right? So what happens if you have these CBDCs being launched and then they're scarce all of a sudden? What if US dollar CBDC is scarce, right? What type of attraction would that bring from people? Yeah, like what if there was a deflationary fiat, or what? Because that's a possibility that I don't think a lot of people acknowledge. I think they're just going to continue to think that fiat's just going to die a death and just continue printing itself into oblivion. But what if it, you know, revives itself by becoming fixed again? What if, you know, some people speculate going back to a gold standard, but it doesn't have to be a gold standard, just some sort of standard where it becomes a fixed amount again, right? Like, how do you think that would affect the cryptocurrency markets? How do you think that would affect cryptocurrency in general and the appeal of cryptocurrency, right? Central banks will never stop printing. Yeah. Nah, I can't. There's too many normies. I hear you, Enerum. I hear you, man. Hey, man, people pick up things quicker than you think, though, sometimes, right? Like, look at the situation we're in this, you know, all this stuff that happened around us, right? And, you know, how we were able to adapt to new behaviors kind of quickly, right? We'll see. I mean, it's just speculation at the end of the day. I'm just kind of speaking from another end. For all we know, yeah, for sure, XRP, or not I mean, XRP obviously could be the bridge to all these currencies. But what I'm talking about is fiat is most likely, who knows what the end is going to be for fiat, but I just don't see it continuing just printing itself to oblivion, you know. But like for the next, do you really think the next few years is just going to continue to be printing and printing and printing? Like, that would be insane. It would be crazy, dude. The value of crypto and adoption of crypto would happen so fast then, for sure. Central banks are like crackheads. But what if they have that new liquidity provider, right? What if they hook up to the Ripple net and then all of a sudden they're like, hey, we found a sovereign global currency that we can get behind, and we have a ton of that we've been accumulating while you guys accumulated all these other coins. We got XRP, XLM, and Quant in custody or something, you know, XDC in custody. Yep. I mean, fiat money as we know it for sure is done. Like, without a doubt, if it continues to be the money that just continues to get printed. I'm very interested to see what central bank digital currencies are going to be like. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys heard about LBRY and what went down with LBRY, but let me pull up this email for you. I got it just the other day. Or actually, I don't even know if it was just the other day. I think it was today. So give me a second to load it up here. But check this out. Check this email out from... trying to make sure everything's all good on here. Okay. So LBRY, if you guys don't know LBRY, they're basically like a social media platform, right? And they have a a crypto called the LBRY credits, right? So, dear LBRY and Odyssey community, we are reaching out to you today as part of our continued commitment to transparency. Today, the SEC has filed a complaint against lbry Inc., the creator of the lbry blockchain and the video sharing platform Odyssey, alleging that the sale of lbry credits by lbry Inc. constitutes unregistered security offerings. First and foremost, it is important to note that the complaint is not aimed at you, your lbry credit or Y credits, or the content you create, but rather the status and sale of lbry credits by lbry Inc. The SEC's complaint seeks to stifle innovation, accessibility, and creativity inspired by blockchain companies like lbry Inc. The complaint also fails to acknowledge the concerted steps taken by lbry to comply with the law to conduct its business in a forthcoming and transparent way. lbry not only complied with the SEC's investigation over the past 3 years, we have produced thousands of documents, provided our executives for testimony, and devoted several thousand hours of team member time to deal with this case, a heavy burden to bear for a startup, right? So, yeah, looks like the SEC is not only cracking down on Ripple, y'all, and lbry. I mean, kudos to you guys for being very transparent about it, but I'm kind of surprised not more people in crypto are talking about SEC, like, is starting to go after other companies now, not just only the Ripples. So we'll see what other companies, maybe not only the lbrys or the Ripples, that are getting sued by the SEC. But I doubt people, you know, it's interesting. There's like a crazy, you know, fanaticism with XRP and why people are still, you know, I'm not saying that they're, you know, we'll see how this SEC lawsuit turns out. But I think for some reason people have more confidence in Ripple and XRP not being declared a security and standing a chance against the SEC versus how lbry is going to stand a chance against the SEC. And very good point, my man. Very good point. That might be a good sign to start taking some, you know, off the table, converting to a stable coin and earning interest in that stable coin until there's a major dump, if this becomes a trend from the SEC. Diesel Hound, what's up? Never have fixed supply central bank digital currency. Okay. Hopefully XRP will stop the printing. Pretty sure the Fed will own everything once they're done anyway. They won't have to print. Yeah, as we know it, it's done for sure. Exactly. Yeah, interesting times we're getting into, man, because that's like kind of what we've been waiting for on this channel. And my gosh, guys, Hot is going for it. Congratulations to Hot community. Totally missed the boat on this one. Mega time. Holy cow. What is going on with Hot? What is going on with Solana? Solana at $277 now, going for $21. Let's go. Let's go, Solana. Wow, man. But that's the thing we've been waiting for here on this channel big time, is to see these regulators start to freaking walk their talk, right? Because they talk about, oh, you know, cryptocurrency, watch out for it, you know, and we're going to be really starting to have more of an active role in cryptocurrency, but yet cryptocurrency is running wild and making millionaires over here and making people a ton of money and profits, and you guys really haven't done a thing. So, you know, are we going to see more momentum? Are we going to see some, you know, movement coming from the regulators, or could the regulators really just not be able to, can't stop this, can't stop the space? They don't know how, right? Is it just all talk, right? So I'm interested to see how that travel rule is going to be implemented. Obviously, the ISO 20022 standard, but that's going to be in 2022. So if you're telling me we're going to be getting more bullish gains until 2022, then hell yeah, right? But we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening in the future. So far, it's just been good times and awesome times hanging out with the Blue Crew. Appreciate everybody tuning in for another DLT late night live stream. You guys are amazing, man. Always good times with the Blue Crew. Hope to see you guys tomorrow for a DL Talk. And yeah, man, we'll see where the prices are then. Shout out to everybody in the channel. Shout out to everybody who donated. And once again, Alchemist, dude, thank you for that big bomb. Appreciate you so much. Legendary, appreciate you. Alex D Vlogs, appreciate you, man. And RMax76, thank you, man. And Mr. Yan as well. You guys are amazing. Thanks for your guys' support. Really helps us keep doing what we're doing here on the channel. And that's hanging out the Blue Crew, informing each other, getting us ready for the next steps, the next big things in cryptos before a lot of people start to talk about it. The Blue Crew talks about it first. That's for sure. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. BTC community, XRP community, Ethereum community, ADA community, Solana community, Polkadot community, Cardano community, VeChain community, XLM community, AMP community, OMI community, Hbar community, IOTA community, ICX community, Nuls community, DLT community, Blue Crew community, Atom community, all the communities out there. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Much love, Blue Crew. As always, another one for the books. You guys are amazing, man. Great times, as always. See you guys soon. Much love. Adios.